Shifting our focus to some more breaking news coming in at this hour, as far as the run-up to the Haryana Assembly elections are concerned. Out on bail, Arvind Kejriwal is set to start campaigning. Arvind Kejriwal is going to campaign in Haryana from 20th September. Arvind Kejriwal is going to hold a road show in Jagadhri. Well, that is the big breaking news that we're getting you at this point in time. Kejriwal is set to hold a road show in Jagadhri. This comes after he resigned as the Chief Minister of Delhi. Remember, he is out on bail, and in the run-up to the Haryana Assembly elections, Kejriwal is now going to start campaigning for the Aam Aadmi Party in Haryana. He is going to hold a campaign starting from 20th September, where he is going to hold a road show. My colleague Teshri is joining me live right now to get us more details. So, well, Teshri, take us through what is going to be the plan ahead for the ex-Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal, who now seems to be embarking upon a campaign spree in Haryana.
Well, absolutely. Now Arvind Kejriwal will be campaigning in Haryana, and what we are getting to know is that tomorrow will be his first day after he has tendered his resignation as the Chief Minister of Delhi, and from tomorrow he will be campaigning in Haryana. He will be holding his first rally, and that particular rally will be very much significant because we'll have to see that what he says in the rally, what kind of messaging does he in fact conveys to the people of Haryana, because after resigning from the Chief Minister, he has not addressed the media and not even addressed the people and the Karyakartas of Aam Aadmi Party and the cadre as well. So this will be the first address of him after resignation from the post of Chief Minister. Next also what we are learning is that in next few days he will be continuing to campaign in the Haryana, he being the star campaigner of that particular state. And also on 21st is a day when the new cabinet of Aam Aadmi Party, the cabinet of Atishi, will be taking oath as the minister, and Atishi will be swearing in as Chief Minister. So, and apart from that, 26th and 27th is the day when the cabinet session, when the Delhi Assembly session has been called. And apart from that, as far as Arvind Kejriwal is concerned, apart from whatever is going on in the national capital, he has his plan very much clear. A 100-day plan is set for him, that he will be campaigning, he will be holding rallies, and in fact, he will be focusing more on the ground connect with the people of Delhi and Haryana as well. We are also expecting him to hold a Pad Yatra, door-to-door campaigns, Karyakarta Sammelan. So it will be very interesting to see that when he surrenders himself in Janta Ki Adalat, how Janta responds to him. Back to you.
Absolutely, Teshri. We are going to be keeping a close track of all the developments that takes place in the story and see where all with Arvind Kejriwal go to campaign in the upcoming poll-bound state of Haryana.